So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this lovely diamond shape crochet, how to DIY this piece right here. So without wasting your time, we're going to be using my 4.5 mm hook and also my usual grain yarn. So we're going to start up with a slip knot as usual. So we're going to make a slip knot. I really don't like this yarn, but yeah, we're going to go. So we're going to make a slip knot, and then we're going to crochet because we want to start up with this. So we're going to make 1 and 2 chains, right? So we're going to go in with an half double crochet right here, 1, and make another half double crochet right here. So we have to have double crochet in that one space, chain 2, 1, 2. So we want to be increasing from here all the way to this place. So we're going to increase 2 here, 2 here, so making it 4. And this chain 2 we did here counts as a stitch. So we're going to count that one as 1, crochet another half double crochet inside the first hole. That's 2 half double crochet right there. Then insert 2 more half double crochet stitches right here. So if you count, we have 4. The first chain 2, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Chain 2, turn. So we're going to make 2 at the beginning, 2 at the end. So this chain 2 counts as a stitch. So we're going to insert 1 more here to make a 2. Insert another one here, 3. So when we have 4 here, we're supposed to have 6 stitches right here. So 3, then 4, and then the last stitch, which is this, we're going to insert 2 half double crochet inside, 1, and then 2. So if we count, we have 6. The chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As usual, you're going to chain 2, turn your work. The chain 2 serves as a stitch. Insert 1 here. So we have 1, 2. Then we're going to go. This is supposed to be 8 stitches. So this should be, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The chain 2 counts as a stitch always. So 7. We're going to insert on the last one here, this chain 2. Insert 2, 1, 1, and 2. Okay, so we have the 2 there, so it's supposed to be 8 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to chain 2 and then turn our work. So this is just how we're going to get till we get to this row. So I'm going to get to row 7 and then show you guys before we continue. Okay, so I'm at row 7. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. So this is where we are at right now, the middle. So I'm not gonna add the last increase here. So 1 and 2. So I'm going to advise you to always count how many stitches you have. It will prevent you from making like mistakes or having an issue. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 stitches. So I want to start going in the rows right here. So because we are at the middle, so to do that, you have to chain 1, not 2 this time around, 1. When you chain 1, just go ahead and make a half double crochet into this first space, and then go into the second space and pull through all through. So you are decreasing the space, then insert your normal half double crochet that you would do normally. Okay, so since we are decreasing, right, we had 14 on this row, so we're supposed to have 12 in this row because we're decreasing on each side. So these two count as one row, one stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is supposed to be 2 stitches, but we are going to decrease here. So insert 1, pull through, then insert in the last space, which is this space right here, your chain 2, pull through, then pull through all through. So we have 12. I told you we decreased, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then the last decrease 12. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're still going to decrease right here. So yarn over, insert, pull through, then yarn over in the next space, pull through. You should have 8 yarns on your hook, then pull through all 4. So you should have 4 yarns on your hook. Let's repeat. Yarn over, pull through, insert, pull through. You have 4 yarns on your hook, pull through all 4. You decreased, then half double crochet as usual throughout the spaces. So guys, we are at the last decrease. Yarn over, insert here, then insert, pull through, you count, I think, so you have to count to be very sure we don't make any mistake. We had 12 here, so we should have 10 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I made a mistake here, so we have to, okay, yeah, this is not a stitch, this is, so we are supposed to decrease right here. So this is the reason why I said always count, to avoid you having issues. So this is where we are supposed to have our decrease. So I really hate this yarn, like I really hate the yarn. Then pull through. So as you can see, it's already forming this in shape, the decreases. So you chain 1 just usual, you decrease here and then decrease at the ending, just the same thing. And always count your work to avoid you having extra stitches and your work wouldn't look even, so count your work as you crochet. So we're supposed to decrease right here. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we are close to the end, so we're gonna decrease here 1, and we have one more decrease, so just decreases, don't mind it, just do the decrease. It's gonna give you this shape right here. So then chain 1, turn, we have only one decrease, and then chain 1, so there you have it. I need to cut that out. So you cut your work, tighten it up, and there you have the perfect diamond shape. So guys, this is the way to crochet your perfect diamond shape, tiny mini diamond shapes that you could use to do whatever you want to do. Anyways guys, if you've watched to the end, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. Also comment down if you want to see any more shapes. I do crochet videos and other videos 3 times every week, so turn on the post notification bell so you wouldn't miss it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.